Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Forex technical market update. We haven't done a update in a week. I was away on an investment conference, and essentially, what has been happening with the markets. And first of all, before I start, let me just thank everyone who has been emailing in requesting the market updates. It really feels good that folks are actually paying attention and listening to the market updates and how they say that the market updates are invaluable to them. So we are back, and we'll be doing the updates at least twice a week, so that you do not go 7 days without a market update. Okay, what's happening with the markets? The last time, okay, just to give you a brief history, we broke out with the dollar. Remember, we were saying over the last month or so that we were in a consolidation pattern, and the market broke out of that consolidation pattern. So what you're seeing is this a chart, daily chart of the US dollar index, is that the market is now attempting to take out the high of the year near this 100 level on the US dollar index. So that is exactly what is happening with the markets at this point in time. The next area of resistance, let me just draw a red line. Area of resistance is up at that red line, and we are going to, it will be interesting to see how the market reacts to this high in the US dollar index. Taking a look at the euro, we see that let me just clean up this chart a little. We see that the euro broke below the trend line that we're speaking about and is trending to the downside. The next area of support in the euro is at 104.62. And for those of you who actually took advantage of the Forex income system, remember we're saying that a couple of months was a good time to get into the Forex income system, because we are going to see a break in the markets, and that is exactly what is happening as we see with the breakdown here in the euro. Next area of support in the euro is down at the low of the year near this 104 region. So we want to see if the euro can have the energy to punch through that level. Looking at the rally in the dollar continues, especially with the Japanese yen. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, we're currently trading at resistance at this 123.55 level. And if we close above 123.55, then the next area of resistance is this swing high here at 125. So the Japanese yen is in an uptrend, and as you can see, this I drew the consolidation pattern that we're in for the couple of months, and now the market has broken out of the consolidation pattern to the upside. And folks, we see this all the time with the markets, and I was getting emails from folks to say when the market will break. Will the market ever break? And I guess it just comes with experience. I've been looking at these markets for a number of years, and what happens? The markets will trend, and then they will consolidate, and then they will trend again. They may go sideways for a little bit, and then they trend again. Then you will have counter trend moves also. This is how the market behaves. And if you are impatient and you cannot wait out the markets and let the markets guide you, then you'll find difficulty in investing in the markets. And as I always say, impatience is an impediment to profitable trading. To be profitable in the markets, you have to be a patient trader. Taking a look at the British pound, the British pound is the currency that has stood up best to this US dollar rally. The British pound is not down significantly today. It's at 152.07. And in the full strong dollar, the British pound has been holding up quite nicely, actually. And we said earlier that we were in the British pound Swiss franc trade, and we call this trade from back in October. And what we see is that the market has exploded since October, and is doing fairly well. The market, we call this near the 148 level, and we are currently trading to new highs at 152. So this is a good trend our members are involved in. Also, take a look at the critical resistance in this British pound Swiss franc. We have resistance near this 155 region. This is a weekly chart of the British pound Swiss franc, and we see market tested the region in 2012, in 2014, 2015. So we're coming up on an era of significant resistance in this currency pair, and it will be interesting to see if the market can if the market can close the month. This is a monthly chart. If the market can close the month above this 155, let's call it 155.20 region. If we do, actually, let's call it 155.50. This high on this is 155.50. So if we close the month above 155.50, that could be a breakout with this British pound Swiss franc, and we could see even further gains in this market. But for our members, we have been aboard this from 148, and we are just watching the profits continue to accumulate at this point in time. British pound Japanese yen continues its slow march upwards, and this is a trade our members are all also involved in. So our members this quarter have actually not been doing badly. We did say that this quarter could be a bumper quarter in terms of trends, and that is exactly what seems to be happening in the markets. So for those of you who took action, congratulations. You are now seeing the benefits of the actions you actually took. We will be, as I said, we'll continue to do the market updates, at least give you twice a week of what's happening with these broader trends in the markets, because we're coming up on the end of the year, and some of you have been inquiring about coaching. I'll be only taking maybe one or two more coaching clients, or one or two next year coaching clients alone. So if you want to get on board that, I implore you to sign up now, because we are doing some other projects that will not allow me the time to do personal coaching next year. So I only will take one or two, maybe two more clients for the coaching. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.